Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video covers how to submit a ticket and what to expect if you do. Let's get started. Within the Scopito platform, we offer an easy path to access direct help from any of our subject matter experts. To submit a ticket, you will first need to go to the Scopito knowledge base by navigating to the menu on the left of your screen and click on Help Center. You can also type in support.scopito.com, which will take you to the same page. Here, you will see the menu bar that contains knowledge base and tickets. Click on Tickets. Then you will press the Click Here link. To create your ticket, you will enter your contact information starting with your name, your email address, the topic of your question, and your description. Ideally, you will want to describe the issue and the steps by which you have replicated the issue. You can also attach screenshots if needed to provide additional detail. Once you're satisfied with the ticket, you will just press the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. As a final note, we would emphasize that this method is the best way to get correct help and as quickly as possible. Thanks for taking time to view this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.